Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday! Happy Tuesday! Meron tayong bata ditong apaka-sexy na bata. Tingnan nyo naman to. Look at her. Show the guys your clothes. Oh, so pretty! So, pagising ni Ayla, nagpalit siya. So, nung nagising siya, tapos nakita niyang nakapalit na yung ate niya, change clothes agad yan siya. Eh, hindi ko pa na tupi yung winash ko. So, hindi ko nakita yung heat tech niya. She will be wearing heat tech, guys, before tayo lumabas today. Sa bahay, okay lang, naka-on yung heater. Hi! I love your outfit. Pero naka-leggings na yan. You look good, girly. Alright, finish your food. Alo, do you want to bakes? Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon. Nag-edit lang ako, guys. Oh, no, it's not Tuesday. It's Wednesday today. Sabi ko ba Happy Tuesday? July 15. Yeah, it's Wednesday pala today. Kasi dumating kami Monday. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng Tuesday. Pero ginupitan ko si Arlo, guys, kahapon. Alam mo tong batang to, mahilig sa mga maliit na mga dikit-dikit. I don't know saan niya nahanap yung blue tack. Meron siyang blue tack, guys, na nahanap. Nadikit niya sa dito niya. So the whole Ballarat trip namin, meron siyang blue tack dito. What? Up, all done. Tapos hindi siya matanggal. Kahit maligo siya, hindi siya matanggal. Tapos nasa masakit na part din siya kasi nandito siya eh. So, konting hila mo lang, ang sakit. Like, can you imagine? Ito, hilahin mo tong dito mo. Masakit. So, ginawa ko, ginupitan ko siya, guys. Kasi sabi ni Dan, ano mo na lang na yan, i-shave. Gustong-gusto kasi ni Dan yung shaved na look sa kanya. And kapag nakikita ko yung mga photos niya na shaved yung buhok niya, guys, yeah, gustong-gusto ko din sa kanya yun. Pero gusto ko din yung merong natirang buhok dito, tapos shave yung dito. Ito yung buhok niya ngayon. Ang galing ko, wag nyo lang i-close up. Kasi ako gumawa niyan, ako naggupit. So, tinry ko, nagustuhan ko naman. So, yung buhok niya, ang ganda. Mas gusto kaysa sa gupit ni Kuya nung nagpagupit kami last. Mas maganda yan. Para sa akin lang naman. Tapos, wala pang experience yan, ha? Ako na talaga, ako nang gugupit ng buhok ni Arlo. Guys, if you're good, we will go to the playground after lunch. Weather is nice today. No school today, Kuya. No school for a while for you, actually. Your school, Ayla, starts Tuesday. Sports for you, Kuy, starts Tuesday. In-enroll ko na naman siya sa sports. For this term. Yung yogurt, I got you. Yeah, so yun yung nangyari kahapon ng umaga. And then, afternoon, just after lunch, nagpunta kami ng playground. And it was another good playground session. Kasi kami lang din. Kahit naman may ibang bata, okay lang. Yeah, we can walk to the other playground if you guys want. Yeah, so weather yesterday was really nice. So we went out, we walked to the playground again. And we will walk to the playground again today. And Daddy got his car yesterday, guys. Finally, Daddy got his car. Grabe yung delay ng car niya na yun. Yung old car niya, binigay niya sa kanila, sa Isuzu mismo. So Isuzu din yung car niya ngayon. Binigay niya sa kanila before the end of financial year. Feeling ko, meron na silang, feeling ko lang to ha, meron na silang buyer na kukuha ng car, tapos parang ginawa nila yung transaction before the end of financial year para syempre masali dun sa last financial year yung, alam niyo na yun. Kasi, kinuha nila yung car niya and then binigyan siya ng loan car. And nag-loan car siya ng ilan? Mga 2 weeks ba, guys? Kasi nung nasa Ballarat tayo, naka-loan car pa din siya. So, matagal yun. Nakailang balik siya dun, guys. And nagalit siya kasi ang tagal. Ayaw niya yung loan car kasi syempre gusto niya na malagay yung car seat na niya. Mas madali lang para sa mga bata. He can go in and out. Hindi namin kailangan planuhin yung yung car ko yung dadalhin mo, babalik mo, yung mga ganun, it's just more convenient. Plus, again, he gave his car already. So, nung pagpunta niya nung last, sabi, hindi pa ready kasi yung pina-customize mo hindi pa ready, pero nandito na. Anyway, nakailang balik siya dun. Kasi sinasabi kasi nila na, oh, by Monday, ayan, ready na yan. So, yung ginawa niya, schedule niya yung tires, kasi papalitan niya yung tires niya. Tapos, pina-schedule niya yung maglalagay ng sticker, kasi may ipapalagay siyang sticker. So, alam mo yun, pag sinabi nila na ready na yung car by Monday, pina-schedule niya yung iba, like, ng Monday afternoon, or yung isa nung Tuesday. Tapos, nung Monday na ipipick up na niya, sabi, oh, hindi ready. So, nainis talaga siya kasi, why are we mucking around? Parang, bakit nyo sinasabi na ready na hindi naman pala? Kasi, sa finance naman, sabi nila may problema daw sa finance. Sabi nila, bakit magkakaproblema sa finance? Nasa inyo na lahat ng details ko. Nasa inyo na yung card ko. Kung nabenta nyo yung card ko, nasa inyo na yung pera. 'Di ba? Kasi pina-trade in niya eh. Nagalit talaga siya, guys. Sabi niya, nagalit daw talaga siya dun. Kasi iniisip niya yung ibang taong mapipirwisyo yung schedule dahil sa sinabi nila na Monday, schedule niya nga yung iba. Pero hindi talaga siya nakauwi ng my car nun. So, loan car pa din siya for a week. So, siguro mga 2 weeks talaga yung loan car niya, guys, or even more. Kasi nagbalarat kami, loan car pa din siya eh. So, nakuha niya kahapon lang, Tuesday, ng gabi. Gabi niya, guys, nakuha. Binigyan siya ng free servicing for like, I think next to service free dahil daw sa inconvenience. And then binigyan din siya ng $1,000 worth of like merch na pipili lang siya dun. You guys ready?
Mama! I want my red back spot because I think that's a my friend. Whoa, whoa!
We're going for a walk again. Punta na naman tayo, guys, playground. Because the weather is so nice. Ayokong sayangin yung mga magagandang weather. So kahit na ang dami ko pang kailangan gawin sa bahay, okay lang. Para masulit yung nice weather and ang school holidays ng mga bata. Weather is so nice. Mahangin na mainit. So, it's just perfect. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko na weather. Yung dalawa. Medyo malayo na sila. Hindi naman sobrang layo. Ito lang, oh. Ayan. Pero nagsastop naman yan sila, eh. What's your question?
What did that lady say?
She's giving away the ring, the netball ring. She said, if you guys want it. I said no.
I want it.
The netball ring, the really big one on her on her front yard. Didn't you see? It was a really big netball ring. She said it was there for a while and no one took it.
Aw, can we get
Babe, do you know what a netball ring? You don't even play netball.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just slow down on this part. Wait for mama. Yeah, just slow. May paliko kasi dyan. Hindi ko sila makita kapag nauna sila. Yeah, slow down there, Ayla. Wait for mama.
I'll wait for you, Mom.
Thank you, Kois. Good listening.
You're welcome.
Aw, babe. Sus, may guwapo boy. Alright, go.
I have you in there.
Aw, we love you, kuya. It's okay now. Na-enjoy ko yung daily walks namin. Every day, since nag-start yung school holidays, we walk to this park, guys. Marami namang mga parks na malalapit sa amin, but gusto ko to kasi maliit lang siya. So natututukan ko sila ba? Tapos hindi ko kailangan tumakbo ng malayo para bantayan silang lahat. Wait.
Mom, can we go?
Alright, go. Good job, guys. Well done, Alo. Yeah, tapos I get to do my walk as well.
Yeah, I did it.
You did it, I know. So, alam na nila yung way. Alam na nila saan papunta. Isang araw lang. Sa school holiday, hindi tayo nakapunta dito. Nung Thursday, sobrang busy namin na araw. Tapos may dinner din tayo nung nag-pack ako for Ballarat. So, hindi tayo nagpunta nun dito. But yeah, pagbalik namin ng Ballarat. So, kahapon nag-park na naman kami. Good stopping. Wait for mama.
Where did it go?
I can hear cause. No? Alright, go. Good job, kids. Well done, you two.
Mom, I remember Nanny used to walk me every day to this park. I loved it. Mommy,
Yeah?
I did it. She even went to me on the seesaw. She was 65.
Okay. How old is Nana now?
Get me.
60. 68, I think is Nana na. May bata sa playground. May dalawa. Nagiging friends na naman to nila. Hi, Alo. Love you too. My sweet boy. Do you like your haircut?
Yeah, I'll show you it.
Do you wanna see Daddy's car? Nakita na to ng mga bata kagabi. Look at Indy's face.
Yes! Go! Inside them.
It's the same as my last car, but I've got this cool bull bar now.
Dang. Looks good, Dada.
Daddy, let's see inside. Okay, Dad, look how sparkly it is. Come here, Daddy. Let's see inside. Dog kitties over here. Daddy, let's see inside. This is the dog kitty.
Smells really new, Dada.
Let me go inside. Yes, good. Congratulations, Daddy.
Look at Indy.
You wanna go inside too?
Of course.
Okay, go inside, go inside. It's a nice blue, isn't it?
It's a very nice blue. It's a beautiful blue.
I'm just going to drive the car.
Don't drive, no.
Wala no. Go back.
Every auto within city. Well, actually, auto. And this is fair. You should very nice in here. Daddy! That's how it works. Daddy, I think I'm big enough for her to see. Daddy! I'm actually big enough. Daddy, when I see it when you're older.
When you're older, no, you're going to put your car seats now.
I-
Do you want to take it for a drive, Arlo? Arlo can take it for a drive around the block. I trust Arlo.
Go, Alo.
Ah! Wait, is he actually learned to it?
Yeah, he can drive it. I trust him.
Go, mate.
My turn. My turn, guys.
Look at Indy. Indy's driving too. You want to drive?
I do not want to
The
do this.
seats feels softer. Yeah. Don't you think?
Ready? I'm actually going to drive. Mommy.
Maybe. It's freezing.
Turn.
Alright, Indy's turn, she said.
I think I actually a little bit.
Hello.
That's so small. Dad, what's the prize?
It's nice that it's flat here. Oh, what did you get? Freebies.
Oh, they get nothing, but you know what they said today? They're going to give me my first 2 services free. Like
Mommy,
the first
Mommy, you got
first 2 year services free. That's probably about $400 each service. And they said I can choose another around $1,000 in accessories for the fucker.
So what did you...
I'm going to choose a mobile phone charger, wireless
Okay.
charger,
I'm
and I'm
going
going to choose a bonnet grill as well.
Wireless charger?
Yeah, so I can put it there and just charge like your car.
Okay. Yeah. Sing Indy. Wheels on the bus.
Goes round and round.
Indy loves it. Okay, Indy. Uh-oh, put it back. Thank you. Right, all good? Let's go. No, Mommy.
Are we going?
Where are we going?
Are you
driving?
Vroom, 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 vroom. Honk, honk.
Say beep,
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
beep. Let's go, Indy.
Let's go. You want to drive, Indy? Do you want to drive?
Daddy car. Daddy go. Do you want Daddy to sit at the
Sit at the
back?
back. I'll sit at the back.
Okay.
Daddy, come here.
I'm here. Okay,
Are you gonna drive,
let's go for a
Daddy?
drive.
Yes.
Vroom,
Yes.
vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Honk, 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 vroom, vroom, vroom.
Go, Indy.
Go, Indy.
Let's go. All right, let's go out now.
One more.
Let's go, Indy.
Come
No,
in, my boy.
Mama.
Let's go, Indy. Daddy's car.
It's Daddy's car. It's not Didi's.
This is Indy's car. She
Is
wants
this
the car.
your car?
Beep, beep, beep. Beep.
It's got like a USB portal.
Yeah.
USB or what is it? Oh, I like it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Why? Let's go, Indy. Come on. What the heck? Why?
Take her out.
Yeah.
Alright, so I picked up the new car, Isuzu, and they gave me this. I got no idea what it is. I reckon, let me guess. I'm gonna guess what this is. Barbecue set.
Cheese platter set. Diary?
Okay. Is it like a,
Wallet?
just
Power bank.
no, wait.
That's good. We
Different
don't.
charging things, that's actually handy.
Yeah, we don't have that.
Umbrella.
There you go, the folded umbrella. That looks cool.
I won't worry about that. Okay.
That's pretty cool. For your coffee.
How does that work?
Is it a straw?
Do not microwave, do not dishwash safe, warning battery inside.
To
So,
keep it warm, maybe?
interesting. How does this work?
It's like a tumbler.
Yeah.
Okay. So it tells you the temperature, maybe, of the water inside.
Maybe.
Yeah.
10. Not bad. Feels
Yeah.
really good. Alright. That'd be for this, I'm assuming.
You have to charge it.
Charge that, yeah. The speaker? That's handy. Is that for this maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
Or this probably for both. I'm assuming you got to charge this. This is before.
Yeah.
Where would you plug this in though to?
No, it must have come with the plug already. It will come with it there. It wouldn't be separate.
It stops there. Like, what's that for? It stops there for whatever reason.
You can rest your phone, I think.
Interesting.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, that's very.
Sorry?
It says plug it to power.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Bluetooth drive is ready to pair.
I suppose I can keep that in the car. You've got to like set up a boom, boom, boom.
I think your car has better speaker than that.
No, but like if you're out somewhere,
Oh,
you're on a holiday, you want to have a speaker and listen to some music. You got that? I'll give you this.
this one is for this bed. Northeast. Northeast order group.
How do you charge it? There's a bit of a chakra umbrella.
Is it chakra?
I'm trying to put
Yeah,
it.
this one's very chakra quality as well. But...
I mean, it's all a bit chakra. Here. There you go.
See, I'll try it. Yeah, so you can just charge it with a USB-C.
Okay.
You can keep this in your car to charge it, but I don't really use stuff like that.
What I have for my is it charged?
Oh, hey, Indy, where are you? Hi, girly.
Will this charge my phone?
Sabi ko, pakita ko yung car mo kasi hindi ko na yan ipapakita kapag may sticker na. Ipapalagyan niya kasi ng sticker ng company niya, guys.
Check off seven.
Look at Daddy's car, guys.
Check off seven. Six, seven.
Diba? Siya na talaga nag-blue car.
Six, seven. Check the seven.
Oh, does he have new tires? Are they new tires? Are they new tires?
Yeah.
Dang, looks
I
good.
noticed inside the car.
You already seen inside the car.
Daddy, how did you get the gas one?
It looks good, Daddy.
The gas one, Daddy. Dad. Daddy,
Pinapalitan niya agad yung tires. When did you get that done? Today? Cool. Looks good. So, diba? It is the same car
Mommy.
as last time. Syempre, yung bagong year lang. And he chose blue. So, naka-Isuzu D-Max pa din yung daddy natin. When are you gonna get the stickers done?
I don't know, maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, baka bukas kasi may sticker na siya. Ito kasi yung kulay ng ano din, ng company niya, guys. So, papalagyan niya lang ng sticker. And ito din, pinakustomize niya din to. That looks good. Looks good. Looks good, Dada.
What is it? 6, 7, 7-Eleven.
Oh, nagpunta din pala siya ng shops.
Get me, get it.
Napakadaming celery naman yung nabili mo. Alright, we can bring it inside. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, park mo sa labas yung car mo, ha? Para ma-vlog natin once and then yun na. Ayokong mag-blur out ng iyong company. Ha? Ang ganda. Parang apakahaba. Napaka-blue din. Siya na talagang may blue. Gusto niya kasi yung old car niya. So, nung nagtingin siya ng bagong car, hindi na siya lumayo. Well, tumingin siya sa iba, tapos wala siyang nagustuhan. So, sabi niya, ito na lang. Yung bago na lang na Isuzu din. At saka blue.
What happened? His bones. Daddy bones
So,
down.
bananas. Nagpabili ako talong. Tiga apples, guys. Careful, Alo. Lettuce.
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Strawberries.
Yes, my favorite.
Your favorite. Carrots.
I'm sticking! I'm sticking! I'm sticking! Yes, go! Yes!
Tomato sauce. Ito yung tomato sauce namin. And then maraming yogurts. Oh, yeah. Nagpabili pala ako ng cake mix. How many did you buy?
What's that?
Only one?
Yeah, what do you want?
I think I put 2. It's okay.
Oh my god, look at these Snickers.
Pabili ako ng cake mix. Meron
Oh
akong
yeah, chocolate.
recipe na itatry.
Alright.
And this is chicken breast. Kasi yung chicken nuggets na gawa natin, malapit na maubos. I'm down to 1 pack.
I got this, mommy.
What is it?
That.
Ikaw. Ito na naman yung chocolate.
I think I got a book.
A book? Do you want egg toasty, Alo? Daddy got new bread. It's really fresh. Do you want egg in a hole for dinner?
Yes,
Yeah?
but for me, I have this sticker.
Oh, what is it? Let me see.
It's that. And I have the sticker.
Oh, it is.
But it's not funny.
It's. Oh, alright. Yeah, here.
Oh,
Do you want me to put it on?
yeah.
Is it yummy?
No. So good.
Here you go. It's a book.
Nom.
Pretty cool. Ano ba yan? Ang dami na nating mga maliliit na mga kung ano-ano, Arlo. Tama na Arlo, oy. Tama na Arlo. Tama na kung daddy mo din. Bili ng bili. Guys, kain tayo dinner. Tapos na tong mga bata. Kasi late na. Anong oras na ba? What time is it?
Right,
I just had my phone just before.
Probably that.
Oh. 7:36. Oh, she's back on the 15th. Like that day, she's back. That's a Saturday. We are having curd egg sandwich. Meron ako sandwich tins dito. Lagyan lang nitong... Si Dan nagluto nito, guys. Ang sarap niya kumuha nitong... Ano na to? Curd egg na to. Or we can do it the week after that. If you prefer.
Yeah, whatever. I'm not fussed.
It will just be closer to your birthday, that's all. No, actually, your birthday is gonna pass. Can I have this?
Yeah.
So, ano lang, yung curd egg, tapos lagyan ng lettuce.
What?
Yes, little bit more. Thank you. That's it. Yummy. That's my din-din. Yung kay Dan, walang bread. Puro lettuce lang yung kanya. Lettuce at saka curd egg. Yummers. Wait, so let's respond. Okay. Monday. So we can do
Friday to Monday.
or Thursday to Sunday.
Depending on what.
Thursday is your birthday.
Yeah, depending on what.
Let's eat. Oh, hi, girly. You're eating again.
Yummy, Indy?
She got her chair.
Yummy?
Is that yum yan? Tingnan mo tong isa. Marunong na siya kumuha ng chair. Nilapit niya dyan at inabot ang chicken nuggets na. May chicken nuggets na tira. What? Milk? Say please. Tell daddy. Say please, daddy. That's right.
Stay. Stay.
What do you say to daddy?
So has Michelle left or
Not yet.
Indy?
What happened?
What do you mean what happened, princess?
Who wants hot chocolate?
Shop.
You want some, daddy?
Yeah.
You too, Alo? Alright, clean up, Alo. Just put the toys back. May naghihintay na hot chocolate. May paparating na bata. Come here! Where are you? Oh, hello! What happened? Okay. Wait. Yummy? Ilalagyan ko ng cold milk yung kanya para dire-diretso na, hindi na naghihintay na lumamig. Yummy? Good job. Sus, buyag sa cheeks. Hold on. What do you say? Wala na, B. Hurot na, oh. I'm gonna put this on. It's not a hat. It's sunnies. Say sunnies. Oh my goodness. Show the guys. Oh, wow. Wow. So pretty. Oh, wow. Where are you going, girly? Oh my gosh. Careful on the stairs. Guys, magtutupi tayo. Tingnan nyo naman yung aking tupiin. This is 2 days worth of laundry. And hindi pa ito yun kasi meron pang mga nakahang sa baba. Hindi pa sila dry. Yeah, kasi nga ngayon lang ako natapos. So yung mga hinang ko kahapon, most of them dry na. So nandito na. But may mga hindi pa dry. Tapos may mga winash pa ako today. Nahinang ko din yung iba. Kasi hindi lahat din na dryer ko. Like lahat ng damit ni Dan, hindi ko din na dryer. Kasi baka mag-shrink. So, yeah, mostly yung dinadryer ko yung sa mga bata lang, tsaka yung mga towels, ganun. You look beautiful, my baby. Show the guys. Oh.
Ayan!
So, mag-shrink ako. Yeah. Samahan niyo ako magtupi. Mag-ano lang ako. Manonood ako ng something. Habang... Asa na yung phone ko? Bye! Asa yung phone ko? Ito pala. Manonood ako habang nagtutupi. Diyan lang kayo ha. Tapos meron din ako hot chocolate dito. Tupi tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Ang dami nito. Nakikita niyo ba? Ayan pa. Ayan, ayan.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I love you so much. That's why I love you so much. Because you're so funny. You're so funny. You're a happy baby.
Oh,
Love you.
Daddy.
Dance, dance.